Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's LeadsLeap review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that you can earn monthly recurring commissions with LeadsLeap. I'm live here in my account, and you'll see my total earnings so far are $686.68. And I started out as a free member with LeadsLeap. But more importantly, in this video, what our team want to do, we want to give you two free resources that you can use to get to not only pro membership, but to get your pro membership paid for with the monthly recurring commissions that you earn with LeadsLeap. And we're going to help you by giving you a free video success training course, which I'll come to shortly. We're also going to give you a free done-for-you funnel that you can use to promote, to start getting referrals. And then when any of your referrals upgrade, you'll earn 50% monthly recurring commission versus 25% monthly recurring commission. And I'm also going to share with you some free traffic sources at the end of the video that you can use to promote your funnel. So if you're not familiar with LeadsLeap, then LeadsLeap can be a free lifetime membership. You don't have to upgrade. There's lots of great benefits with this platform. You not only get traffic to your websites from within the members area, you get traffic from thousands of websites all over the internet, and you get every single tool that you need to build any online business. And the first thing I want to show you is we're going to give you this LeadsLeap training course. It's a video training course, and the reason we created this is because a lot of our members want to learn by video. So if you go back into the dashboard of it, if you log into your members area with LeadsLeap, and if I just scroll up here and show you, there are some tutorials on how to use the features here. Because tutorial, they're called side-by-side tutorials. But if you're like me and like a lot of our members, then we like to learn by using video. And down the left-hand side, when you first join, there's lots of different features, and there can be lots of overwhelm, a lot of information overload when you first join. So we've created the video training course that covers all the features here, and you can just watch each individual one, and it will teach you how to set up and get the best out of each of the individual features. So if you want to create a lead capture page, if you want to start building a list, if you want to start um, tracking where your leads and your sales are coming from, an overview of the main dashboard. And each of these is very detailed. Um, how to earn money, affiliate resources, so lots of information within this video training course. And if you click the link in the description and you opt in, then you'll get this training course for free. And the next thing we're going to give you is a done for you funnel. Now, if you're absolutely brand new and you look at this lead capture page and you think it's far too much information, you probably think you can't recreate something like this. Beginners look at lead capture pages and think it's just too much. Well, it's actually very, very simple, because what we do is we give you a done for you funnel, which first of all is this capture page here. And then this page here is the thank you page. So what you do, it's very, very simple. To set this funnel up, you just copy and paste these share codes into LeadsLeap. Now, we teach you how to do that in the video training course. It's very beginner friendly, and it's a great place to get started is by having the tools to build any online business. And then once you've just copy and pasted these into LeadsLeap with a few more clicks, you can then duplicate these pages here. And then we teach you how to put your LeadsLeap affiliate link under this button here. So when you promote this page, your prospects will put their name and their email in there. They'll click Let Me In. They'll get taken to this page. They'll get the LeadsLeap course, the video training course I've just shown you, and then they will join under you. There'll be your referral because your affiliate link will go under here. So it's a very, very simple 2-page funnel. And then your job will just be to promote one link that will direct your prospects to this page here. So it'll probably take you a little bit of time just to get set up. But once you've got everything set up, then you just promote one link. And what I want to do is give you the traffic sources. These are my best 5 free traffic sources that I personally use every day to promote that lead capture page. And I'll pin this to the top comment below this video, and then you can start to get some free traffic. So if you're on a tight budget, you can join LeadsLeap for free. You can set up your funnel, and then you come onto this page here and you can join and get some free traffic, and you can start promoting your own lead capture page and then start to get some of your own referrals. And then when they upgrade to pro, you will earn 25% monthly recurring commission. And then what we recommend you do is when you get enough money, enough commissions coming in, which is what I did, I then upgraded to pro and I started to earn 50% monthly recurring commissions. And that's when you see these results here, when you see this $686, I earned the 50%. But I did start out as a free member. I did start promoting LeadsLeap, and I did start out earning 25% monthly recurring commissions. And when I got enough referrals, then I upgraded to pro, and then you can start to take your income to the next level as well. And all you're doing is giving away a free training course, because everyone needs tools. Everyone needs tools, and everyone wants to learn how to use the tools correctly. There's a video there that will inspire your prospects to opt in. But everyone needs tools, everyone needs traffic, and everyone needs training, because they're the 3 evergreen niches within the make money online industry. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that. That'll help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And then please share the video with anybody who you think would like to make some money online. And if you've enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. So the next step to join LeadsLeap is to click the link in the description. It will take you to this page here. Put your name and your email in there, and then when you click on this link here, you can get your LeadsLeap video training course. You can become my referral. You can join me and partner with me within LeadsLeap through my link there. And then what you can do is you can just duplicate this funnel here by copy and pasting these lead capture pages in there. So everything you need is here to become successful with LeadsLeap. You've got all the training, you've got a funnel to promote, and everything there is, you've also got the traffic from these 5 traffic sources here. And you can also use the traffic within LeadsLeap itself. Let's just touch on that here, because even as a free member, you've got traffic here. You can post some ads here. These adverts on the right hand side here, these get seen on thousands of websites all over the internet. And then when you upgrade to pro, then you get 10 pro adverts, and then your traffic's automated. You get 10 adverts like these that are get promoted automatically. You don't have to click anything or surf anything. So if you've got any questions, just leave those in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then please leave me a comment. And I'll also leave my email address in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye.